This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet Series 2 1 box. eBay break, March 10th, 2023. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. LEOD817 with the Raiders, Buccaneers, and Saints. Dolphin fan with the Lions, Colts, Dolphins, and 49ers. Boom, 5051120 with the Falcons, Panthers, Broncos, Chiefs, Vikings, Titans, and Ravens. GILMELE-34 with the Chargers, Jets, Seahawks, Patriots, Steelers, and Redskins. Jonathan -0 with the Eagles. CHAHE_8961 with the Giants. John Donovan Jr. with the Rams. DALGOE_18 with the Jaguars. AYWA6267 with the Browns, Cowboys, and Bears. JS Mead 111 with the Texans. MATTINNOV with the Packers. BLZ-16 with the Bengals. LEWOO_274 with the Bills. And we got RYSOL_36 with the Cardinals. That is your full lineup. Okay. We've got your box right here, 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet Series 2. Absolutely love these Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmets. Let's get our box open. There we go. All right. All right, guys, here we go. Your Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet coming at you front and center. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And we've got a Lunar Eclipse Alternate. The Falcons. Absolutely beautiful Lunar Eclipse Alternate Autograph Full-Size Helmet. Matt Ryan. Beckett COA right there as well. Matt Ryan. What a beautiful looking authentic full-size helmet there. That is gorgeous. Falcons. Your Falcons are owned by, boom, 5051120. Congrats. Beautiful Matt Ryan. Autograph Authentic Lunar Eclipse Alternate. Autograph full-size helmet's got that beautiful matte white finish on there. That is gorgeous. Falcons, congrats. Beautiful Matt Ryan. What a beautiful autograph, authentic, full-size helmet. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking, guys. Really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions. We've also got a beautiful lineup scheduled tomorrow night and all weekend long. Please don't miss out on those. Thank you so much for your support, everybody. Please be smart, be safe out there.